Instagram provides users with the ability to hide comments, but what if you change your mind and want to unhide them later? In this tutorial, we will provide you with a detailed explanation of how to unhide comments on Instagram. To unhide comments on Instagram, you first need to locate the hidden comments. To do this, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to the post with the hidden comments. Tap on the comment icon below the post. Scroll down until you find this option. See Hidden Comments. Tap on it. Once you have located the hidden comments, you can unhide them individually by following these steps. Find the comment you want to unhide. Tap on the Unhide from the comment. Now the comment can be seen. You know how to unhide the comments on your Instagram account. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.